In this video, we are going to work on fundamental elements of an HTML file for developing a web page. The first line in an HTML file is the document type declaration or doctype, which tells the web browser how to process the document. This tag indicates that the document is of HTML type. The fundamental building block in every HTML document is the element tag, which marks an element in the document. A starting tag indicates the beginning of that element, while an ending tag indicates the ending. The general syntax of a two-sided element tag is given here, where the element is the name of the element, content is the element's content. Starting and ending tags are enclosed in a pair of angle brackets, but the ending tag starts with an open angle bracket and a slash. For example, the p tag is used to write a paragraph in an HTML document. Empty elements are elements that are either non-textual, like images, or contain directives to the browser about how the page should be treated. Most of the tags are two-sided, but some of the tags, such as line break, are one-sided tags. The general structure of an HTML file is given in this slide. An HTML file has a hierarchical structure with nested elements. At the top of the hierarchy is the HTML element. Within the HTML element is the head element that is used to mark information about the document. And the next element is the body that is used to mark the content of the web page. The body element is always placed after the head element. Elements often contain one or more attributes. Each attribute provides additional information to the browser about the element or how the element should be processed by the browser. The general structure of an element attribute within a two-sided tag is given here. HTML documents are basically text files with characters and white space. A white space character is any empty or blank character such as a space, tag, or a line break. You can use white space to mark your file, to make your file easier to read by separating one code block from another. But the browser ignores the white space no matter the type of space. To run an HTML file, we just need to open it in a browser such as a Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. HTML determines the contents and the structure of a web page, but its appearance, such as color, font, and layout, is specified by style sheets, which will be discussed later. The document head contains metadata, which is the content that describes or provides information about how the document should be processed by the browser. For example, the title of a web page is defined in the head element. This table lists the most common metadata elements that can be defined within the head element. In the next videos, we will use these elements frequently.